Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on the New Holland Facebook live direct here on air from the New Holland stand at EIMA International 2018 All 16. I'm right now with Carlo Lambro, brand president of New Holland Agriculture. So first of all, good morning, and then what about your thoughts and feelings about this opening day?
Good. So, ladies and gentlemen, also from my side, good morning and very warm welcome. The feeling is very good. I mean, EIMA International is one of the biggest international exhibition fair for agricultural machinery, which, by the way, run in Bologna, which is my own city, own town. So I'm very proud that we are again here on this fantastic exhibition. EIMA International, very important. We are talking about 300,000 visitors as average, and again, a place where all the companies, including New Holland, are able to show their novelties, their technology, but also how they look into the future. And again, for us, New Holland is future and present, and we are here today to celebrate both.
About talking about the present and also about future, I know that there are some important news. What about this news?
In line with the New Holland global brand positioning, which is the real full liner. Again, here we are showing mainly all the novelties and all new products that are touching all the ranges. We start from the tractor, what we call the small tractor, the compact tractors, up to even the biggest tractor, the T8, which we are presenting here in different lever on the blue color and what we call the blue power. Not with understanding the effort we have done on the tractor, we are focusing a lot also what is another key assets of our company, which is the combine harvesters, a lot of novelties, the combine, the CR revelation, the rotary concept, the technological concept, and then on top of that, all the new product line for the balers, big balers, round balers, as well as the newly design with the blue and yellow livery New Holland of the implements. I can really speak even more time about our novelties, because here really we are showing the strength, the power and the full product line of the New Holland range.
We do have the typical colors, but I see also different kind of color and different logo. What can we discover about this color and logo?
You're right, our institutional brand colors is blue and yellow, but today we are here to celebrate and also to show different colors, which by the way will be not the color of the future. I don't want to create any panic on you guys. The future color of course is blue and yellow, but we are here to celebrate an important anniversary, a milestone for our company. We are talking about 100 years. In late summer of 1918, actually at the end of the First World War, we produced as a Fiat for the first time ever the tractor, the famoso Trattrice 702. And through these 100 years, the journey came up to now, 2018, where we have developed all the products, launching, as I said before, an outstanding brand, an outstanding product as New Holland. But we wanted also to celebrate, to give something to our customer, to our dealers, and to, in a certain way, have the linkage on the past. On the past, which I said is made by 100 years, alongside with the customers, and 100 years made by an integration of more than 20 brands, which give the strength of New Holland.
Is it correct to say that there is a concept made by a union of past, present and future? Is there a concept?
Yes, there is a concept that we can see here. Just behind us is a fantastic concept. It's a concept that has been designed by CNH Industrial Design Center. Actually, we tried to conjugate, first of all, one of the most important assets and recognition of our history, which is the terracotta colors. All the people remember the Fiat Trattori, Fiat Agri, which was born with the terracotta colors. The second is the style. The style is designed by Pininfarina. Actually, Pininfarina was the first company which developed styling in the agricultural tractor, where New Holland launched the 90 series. And again, a beautiful logo which remember us the Centenario, so the New Holland Centenario Fiat. Of course, this is a concept. Unfortunately, it's not for sale, so there is a unique example, but I'm sure that this will create a lot of excitement on our customer. And by the way, if you want to really to touch more concretely what our customers can do, we can see here what we call the limited edition of the Fiat Centenario. So this is the concept tractor, but this is a real tractor that any customer can buy, since we have launched for 6 series 100 units of limited edition with a number from 1 to 100.
Let's walk a little bit, going through the incredible importance of the past, but looking forward to the innovations, because I know that there are also important innovations in this 2018.
Yes, as I said before, alongside these 100 years, one thing has always been a key asset of the New Holland has been the innovation. So we have always developed new innovative features. Today I could mention a lot, but I will just spend some time on 3 important innovations. One is the new T5 Auto Command, which is equipped with the new NEF engine. NEF engine on the stage 5 emission regulation, a very compact engine which grants visibility, maneuverability of our products and outstanding performance and reduce fuel consumption. And this is probably the most important novelty, so the NEF engine and the T5 Auto Command on the tractors. Then I need to spend for sure some words about our fantastic yellow combine. Yellow combine, so the New Holland combine. Today here we are presenting the IntelliSense system, which is, to simplify, is an automatic control which allows the operator just to drive the combine. They don't need to care about the fact of setting the headers, the grain, the output, the speed, but just drive. It's very simple, it's very easy, which, by the way, does not mean that we want to substitute the operator. The operator is very fundamental, it's very important, but with the IntelliSense system, we can give the best possible output of the machine. And again, to be close and aligned with our customers.
We have focused our attention on the past. We are right now in the present, for sure. But we can also spend some words expressing the idea of future, the future of New Holland, the future about of the agriculture. So what do you think about this kind of 2 points?
The future of agriculture is relatively straightforward. I mean, all the experts say that by 2050, world population will grow by 2.5 billion. So we are talking a big number. Today the world population is around 6 billion, so we'll go to 8.5, even 9 billion. Of course, the concept and the mission of agriculture is to feed this population. We need to grant the food for all the people. But on the other side, we don't have unlimited resources. We need to be focused on what we have today. And in a simple word, we should do more with less.
More with less. That's an important and an interesting point. So, we've seen the new color, we've seen the yellow traditional color. Another important and traditional color is for sure the blue one, but there is something different here. There is a different kind of area of development. What about it?
Yes, align what I said before. When you say to do more with less, one of the key attention of New Holland is what we call the alternative fuel. So we have developed a lot of innovation on effort to try to develop alternative fuel, so something that is alternative to the fossil fuel, to the diesel. By the way, let's not forget that in 2008, New Holland started the Clean Energy Leader strategy, which were the first one which were able to operate our tractor with 100% biodiesel. And we went through evolution, which today arrived to this concept tractor, which is our biomethane tractor. It is a tractor that can operate with methane, so it's a pure methane, but can operate also with biomethane, so methane that is produced in the farm, on the waste of the farm. And if we just give a few comments, if you operate with methane, we can reduce pollution by 80%. And if you do by biomethane, the pollution, so the emission of CO2 in the air will be like zero, which means integrity and purity from 0 to 100%, so the maximum that is possible.